the bullet.
Yes. Even the dog. I'm saving the dog.
They show the dog.
They even shoot here so that even if the policeman is lying on the ground, they will get it. So they were just. The people went through
the bullet went through.
Yes.
Kind of murder is best described as an act of wickedness. Very careful. Philip is known to be a very gentleman, the husband, soft-spoken, who doesn't want any trouble, a humble man. So one wonder what's a humble man of that, a man who can hug a fly. What would have done to somebody that warrant this person murder, the way he was killed. God said that God has an answer for everything. We're here to support him. Not alone. Philip has a lot of friends, admirers all over the country. I'm sure the knowledge is family as well. So I came here to communicate with the family and say take heart and God will guide you and bless you. Thank you.